Get my brother.
Come on.
Too nice. Too nice. There you go. Good boy. Stay, Frank. What are you doing, Frank? Stay. Sit. Frankie, sit. Sit. No, I want you to sit over here. Now sit. Good boy. Stay. Good boys. Good boys. Hello. Do nice, Brew.
Do nice.
Good
Good
boys.
boy, Brutus. Good boy,
Good
Frankie.
boy. There you go. Lay down, Frank. Frankie, down.
Not on top of Brutus. He's not going to like that.
I got him, Monroe. Sit down.
Good boy, Brew. You got to be a good boy, Frank. Oh, God. Here we go. Go. Be nice.
Good
Be
boy.
nice. Nice.
Good boy. How about a nice laying down shot? There you go. Good boy.
March 12, 1982. We made love on the couch when I got on a plane for Detroit. If you remember, there was a lot of work.
Good boy, Brew. You really shouldn't be chewing on your leash there, bud. I see you.
How long were you out of town?
The pork chops.
Good boys. Good boys. Do you guys like each other?
She was going the next day to the reservation where she was doing work.
You're a cutie pie.
And you couldn't be.
Oh no.
In those days, there were no cell phones, and she didn't have an answering machine where she was staying. So what happened when you got home? I called the parents.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
In the apartment itself, I called the supervisor. I complained. He said we had rats.
Sit, Frank. Good boy.
I just assumed that they'd thrown off the side of the wall. 2 days later, Detective Ashman showed up. At the fireplace fire and found your body. That was one for Tom. Do you have any idea who could have done such a thing? Of course I did. That's why I ran. I knew I couldn't get a fair trial. They were trying to frame me.
Good boy. Good boy. No, you're doing tonight's picture.
God, can you stop chewing on your leash?
We'll just let him do it. Stay, Frankie. Good boys. Good boys. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Good boy.
Yeah, meanwhile, Brutus is doing something he's not supposed to be doing.
I know, but we're making strides here. I'll buy him leashes if we could do this. Little nubs wagging, I see. I see your little nubbies wagging. Oh yeah, I'm up to get my brother. Good boy. Oh, you guys might be sleeping buddies, napping.
Be nice, Brew.
It's okay.
Do nice. Good boy.
Boy, Frank.
Good boy. You really shouldn't be chewing on your leash, though. Come on, give Grandma your leash. Come on.
Keep going, Psycho. Leave it. Brutus, leave it. Brutus, leave it.
Leave it. Give your brother kisses.
Well, geez.
Okay.
This is all pretty hard to believe. Why? Why is it so hard to believe? They killed John, didn't they? John Kennedy? John Lennon. So Mark David Chapman was working for the government? Spent time in the CIA training camp in Beirut.
Be nice.
Be nice.
Be nice. No nibbling.
Trained.
God, you're such a brat.
What are you doing? You supposed to chew on that? I'm breaking out of here.
It's so sad. You're a part of the conspiracy, and you don't even know if you're
All right.
Where are we going? You want water? No, we're not going to go. I'm going to shut the heat up. Come here, stay. Come here.
Tricia. his money.